somebody asked me, what's so different about your projects from other people? I said, our projects have a soul. Each one of us works on that project as though we were to stay there. So that tomorrow the people who are living here are happy living here. So that project it's got life. I started out as a small-time contractor. I felt that if real estate developers are outsourcing their construction to a contractor, then if I have done contracting, why should I outsource? So I said, why don't we grow this core into a bigger company which does contracting for ourselves? As the company grew, we kept growing our contracting arm, and that is the most robust arm we have today. That same philosophy translated into our doing this backward integration. Own architects, own construction, own security, own maintenance, everything is in-house. These companies are being run by professionals within our company, and the quality, the level of service is maintained by the professionals of our company.
We started very small. Today we have about 800 well-trained and responsive guards.
One, we have an elaborate consultant working with us, but we have in-house 40 professional design guys.
We have associations at every place.
We ensure that people live in a resort style of an environment.
We got a 3-layer security setup in all our properties.
Classical architecture, the Spanish and Art Deco.
Cozier.
Good warm colors.
The facility management on call 24/7.
Supervising staff is ex-servicemen who are permanent.
Gyms more elaborate, the landscape more organic.
It's a perfectly governed community fulfilling their social needs.
People are happy, we are happy.
Integrity, sincerity, and a sense of pride in one's work. If these three things can be brought into the people who work in an organization, you have a success story.
Every day is visiting a site.
If I am to lead, I must be there right at the forefront.
हमारे CMD सर आते हैं यहाँ पे, तो वो भी हमको एक करंट दे करके जाते हैं.
It's my passion. I love the sites.
कि भाई ये आपका घर है. आप जब तक आप इसके अंदर घुसोगे नहीं, तब तक आप बेस्ट अचीव ही नहीं कर पाओगे.
Whatever I do, I must do it with 100% sincerity, 100% honesty, and I must do it well.
He gives you a sense of ownership,
They get a lot of freedom to work,
full authority.
freedom to take decisions.
Wrong, right, he'll always support us.
If it was done in good faith, there is no fear.
It doesn't matter, I'll set it right. But don't be afraid. So people take a very honest decision. These decisions, they're not questioned.
We believe in promising what we can deliver and actually deliver more than we commit.
That is what is different. We mean to do what we promised. That's all. When we say we'll do a good job, we do a good job and people believe us.
हमारे जो क्लाइंट है हम पे ट्रस्ट करते हैं कि आपको काम भी करना है, प्रोग्रेस के साथ करना, विद क्वालिटी करना और विद सेफ्टी करना.
इस तरह से डिलीवर करना है कि वो बाद में अप्रिशिएट ही करें.
That philosophy has translated right down to the bottom, at sites. And that's why you see a different product, you see a different attitude in our people.
At the senior leadership level, the attrition rate is 0. They are so committed because they are happy.
तो सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग होती है.
प्राउड फील होता हूँ मैं कि मैं आज ATS में हूँ.
They have a sense of belonging and commitment because we are a family end of the day. It is the ATS family.
सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस तो पैशन का ही है. पैशन ऑफ CMD.
He is like soul and energy to this organization.
He is very positive. He provides motivation to everyone.
He has a lot of belief in the employees.
He will stand by you till the very end.
He is a born leader.
Everything flows top to bottom. It's like in the army. That's leadership.
I have not seen a better person than him, both personally and officially. It's a great feeling.
It makes me feel that I'm doing the job I've been given by him. I'm doing it right. That's all.
Different outlook, different scenario, different approach to business. The brand ATS stands out among the crowd.
So I feel that take your time, do it the right way, do it in a sincere, honest way, and the kind of foundation you build with an honest intent and honest effort, it is unshakable.